Sekhukhune se bona ke sebataladi. A new generation football club is born. COMETSA Furse Sekhukhune FC Pty Limited is being born. The mind, the journey, the destiny. The COMETSA philosophy has once again led us to the greatest rural project ever. Sekhukhune se bona ke sebataladi. Le ge o ka e buela lengopeng magokulu a go bona. Transparency is our way of life. What we are about is always in the open. Guess what? COMETSA Furse Sekhukhune FC Pty Limited is an open secret. It is here to transform the greater Sekhukhune region. This is the homecoming village football club in the making. COMETSA Furse Sekhukhune FC. FC for football club. The village football club. It is not just a village football club. It is not just one of those football clubs. It is a business kind of a village football club. It is COMETSA Furse Sekhukhune FC Pty Limited. The smart boys and girls of Furse, the city in the making. Furse, Marshall Spetley. The Makuru Tamaga smart boys and girls, up the smarties. The greater Sekhukhune smart boys and girls, up the smarties. The Mzansi smart boys and girls, up the smarties. South Africa's pride in the making. The philosophy of COMETSA, the mind, the journey, the destiny. We apply our mind to the journey that takes us to our destiny, from heritage to heritage, leaving a lasting legacy for generations to come. We know what we are all about. We are about purpose in life. We are about heritage. We are about the legacy. The mind. The mind. The mind. The plugged mind. Always switched on. The active mind. Forever sweating progressive ideas. The sharing mind, always giving. The futuristic mind, always searching for new direction. The inquiring mind, always wanting to know about the future. This is a generational project. This is about rural village imposing itself and their football style in South Africa. The smart boys and girls playing orchestra symphony style football. South Africa, Mzansi, Limpopo province, Greater Sekhukhune, Makuru Tamaga. The smart boys and girls have arrived. Up the smarties. Up the smarties. Playing orchestra symphony style football. COMETSA is here. Hear us aloud. We are here. Give village football its rightful space. The world will spin. Give the village football the respect it deserves. Then the world will learn the village football an honor, then people shall unite. Africa, 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 your time is now. Makhulu Tamaga, your time is now. Greater Sekhukhune, your time is now. Mzansi, South Africa, your time is now. It's a journey. The journey goes on. The journey. It's about aggressive promotion of our ideas. It's about aggressive selling of our ideas. It's about giving as we learn. It's about giving as we learn. It's about giving as we earn, growing our earnings for the generations to come. The children of King Sekhukhune are here. Are here enjoying the journey. We retain our learning for our future generations of Sekhukhune. We retain our earnings for the greater Sekhukhune region, for it is about our future. We invest our learnings. We invest our earnings. It's about our legacy. It's about heritage to heritage, generations to generations, forever searching for new opportunities. Opportunities to grow ourselves, opportunities to grow our nation. The children of King Sekhukhune are back home in Greater Sekhukhune region. The children of Kgoshi Squadimamburu are here. Vare haba moreta vare ke squadi sha motho botlaka. Ke squadi se tlwale ngwana na ntlo. Ke kgoshi ya bapedi ba mamone ke bana ba Malgood. We are about the destiny. The destiny. The destiny. Bokamoso. Bokamoso. Bokamoso jwa bana ba rena. Tswele pele. Ke tswele pele ke kgatelo pele. Productivity is our means to destiny. And profitability is our indicator of destiny come reality. Social responsibility is our yardstick of our progressiveness in Greater Sekhukhune region. We are plowing back to the region of our birth. We are thanking our brothers and mothers and sisters, our forefathers, for giving us this beautiful land that we shall treasure for the future to come. The children of Kgoshi Mashirwana are here. Way. The children of Kgoshi Khuluko are here. The children of Kgoshi Malihlaba are here. Kgoshi Ngalime Warekwana, do you hear us? Kgoshi Mambana Warekwana, do you hear us? This is about the destiny. This is about the future. This is about the legacy. This is about the heritage to heritage. This is about the generations. Caring for our staff, for our friends and members. It's our way of life. That is a mandate from our originator, the Almighty. Growth in all its format is our treasure from the Almighty. Sustainability is a guarantee for the future to come. Renewal is a must project. We have to renew ourselves. For if we don't renew ourselves, we shall die. And when we die, we shall have no generation after us. And survival in all its shapes is a non-negotiable matter. We have to survive, irrespective. Kgoshi Buleu Warekwana, do you hear us? Kgoshi Petedi Warekwana, do you hear us? Kgoshi Marishane Warekwana, do you hear us? Kgoshi Masemola Motau Warekwana, do you hear us? Moripani tsoga o itirele. Where are you? Malimong smart girls. Where are you? Moripani Scientist FC. Where are you? Malimong Sweepers FC. Where are you? Mugwete Morning Stars FC. Where are you? Squaddy Try Again FC. Where are you? Khoshi Pahla. Where is Patla Tigers Village Football Club? Khoshi Masha. Where is your village football club? Khoshi Maroga. Where is your village football club? Khoshi Muraba. Where is Muraba Ocean Swallows Village Football Club? Khoshi Petedi. Where is Marulani Happy Boys Village Football Club? Khoshi Ngalimei. Where is Manganemba Tau Young Killers Village Football Club? Khoshi Chabele. Where is your village football club? Khoshi Squadi Mamburu Waboraro. Where is Squadi Try Again Village Football Club? Khoshi Marishane. Where is Marishane United Brothers Village Football Club? MAPS, as we called it. The Brainy Boys, Bashimani Mahlal, Baruteri. Khoshi Malihlaba Kwenas. Where is Porto Roman Rangers? The journey goes on, as it has always been going on. From Moripani Scientist FC to West University FC to Beat West FC, you have been a beacon of hope to me. Professor Ronnie Schloss, you are forever my hero. You may not be aware, but you welcomed me as a rural boy from Sekhukhune land at West University Football Club. You gave me the opportunity to experiment, to learn more, to become part of this famous institution of football development. Your West University Football Club of those days was a unique one. It will remain special in my vocabulary. I remember many such great players that you had in your team. Rodney Bush, Frank McRillis, Mike Ndombela, Leonard Waka Waka Likwebe. Mike Ndombela and Mike Mangena were the greatest that continued to promote the style of football in other township football clubs. Raymond Heck, you were a partner of great intellect. The clever boys of yesteryears lives forever in me. From West University FC to SC Goldstein Frankfurt, Germany. From SC Goldstein Frankfurt, Germany to Roth-Schwarz Neubrück Cologne, Germany. From First FC COMETSA Goldstones 1997 Johannesburg to COMETSA Jane Furse Sekhukhune FC Pty Limited. COMETSA remains our identity in football. Moripani Scientist FC, I appreciate your parenthood. Up the loss. Moripani Ligatika lost Cherry FC, as they always call it. It had a great players with great names. Wusiswane Lamaru Abul. Bare sui. Who King Kon Mutombo Mail, Mutona Pelwane Nyan. Who Majerina Blossom. Who King Sof. Who China the Communists. Who Danger Hefarlek. Who Kila Mutuan. Who Sawa Maltumaswagulil. You named them. They were there. Who Springbok Samushwangwa Reeds. Who Perry Martin. Who Super 7. Who Maravas. Great players that made a small village look like the greatest ever on earth. We have learned from the great, some of them that are no more. Jose Prapajan, who drew one